Okay, now let's move to the next stage. Once that basic conformity program is running, high school comes along to install a really crucial piece of ideological software: the myth of meritocracy.
We're all sold this story, right? Work hard, play by the rules, and you'll get ahead. It's an incredibly powerful narrative because it makes the whole social pyramid seem fair, like people earned their spots rather than inheriting them or having the game rigged in their favor.
But how fair is the game really? When you dig into the data, you find that things like your zip code can often be a better predictor of future success than your actual test scores. A big reason for that is how school funding is so often tied to local property taxes. The playing field isn't exactly level from the start. And this is the real psychological trick of the meritocracy myth. If you believe the game is 100% fair, then wherever you end up in the hierarchy it feels deserved. It convinces anyone who's struggling that it's their own fault, not a flaw in the design of the game itself.